In this video about free classified ads, I'm going to show you some shocking truth that I discovered by accident. Some proof that it actually does work, and it surprised me because I honestly thought it was a waste of time, the free classified ad sites. But it turns out I was wrong, and I'm more than happy to show you why and why it's actually a good thing. So I was on SimilarWeb. I don't know if you've been there before. It's a great way to do some research on where other websites get their traffic from. So if you're looking at promoting a certain product or an offer, whatever service, and want to see how your competitors are getting their traffic, what works, great place to come in. So I was looking at promoting John Crestani, his Work at Home book. It's a great book too, by the way, if you haven't got it. It's a good one to get. So I wanted to see how he was getting traffic for it. So I am JetSet is the website. That's the one. And if you just give it a second, it'll come up with all the statistics of where the traffic's coming from. Okay, so looking at imjetset.com, this is John Crestani's website. It's got a little screenshot of his website there. It gives you the ranking, so it's obviously quite a high ranking website, which is not really a surprise. Traffic overview. So there's a big spike in January. I'm not sure if he did a big promotion or if that's just everyone doing the New Year's resolutions, going to start a business and make money from home. It's tailed off a little bit, but 444,000 people per month. That's a lot of people. That is a lot of people. A third of it from the United States. That's not really surprising. Now the traffic sources is what I was looking at here. So just over a third of it on direct. So they're just typing it in direct, so it could be someone that's already bought the course going to get the information, or an affiliate going straight there. Display ads, but referrals was really high, which surprised me, 13.16%. And when I looked at it, this is what surprised me. This I was not expecting. So Digistore and a ClickBank, yeah, fair enough. They're the marketplaces where the affiliate marketplaces where he's got his courses listed. So if you want to be an affiliate for any of his courses, that's where you go. So you might have been on Digistore, decided you wanted to promote his Work at Home book. Then you click through, and it would have taken you to his affiliate page to get the affiliate resources. Same with ClickBank. So that's why that's so high. And obviously Digistore is massive. It's growing at the moment. But the fact that the free ad forum was so high as well. So 2.85% and climbing, it's increased. Now that in actual numbers, when you think 444,000, okay, so 13% of that is about 58,000 people, and nearly 3% of that 58,000 people is 1,600, roughly speaking, give or take. So that's still a lot of traffic coming through from these free ads, and I never would have expected it. And that's direct linking, so someone's put on their ad a link directly to a sales page on imjetset, which is not the recommended way to do it. I recommend you have a landing page. I won't show you how to do that now, do that in a different video, but just having a look at some of the other traffic he gets, just so you've got an idea. Very little from search. Social is quite low, but out of the social traffic, it's nearly all YouTube, which doesn't really surprise me. He's got a massive following on YouTube. Facebook, not very high, so he doesn't appear to be advertising on Facebook very much, but he does advertise on YouTube, I know that. Display advertising, this is really high as well, so it's showing that a lot of it's there. But ClickBank, so you must have ads on ClickBank that people are clicking on, but Outbrain, ClickSense, Taboola, these are all native ads. That's a different thing, that's a paid advertising thing, but I wanted to show you this because free ads, does it get any better? We'll have a look at the website. Okay, so we'll have a look at the free ad forum. And I thought probably if of all the classified ads, Craigslist might have been the one that was on there. But no, it was this one. So people are using it, and when you look at it, 487,000 business opportunities, 154,000 work from home opportunities. So that's where the bulk of it is. You can advertise just about anything on here, but it's obviously more catered towards make money online, work from home, that sort of thing. So a lot of the ads on here, the yellow ones are premium ones, so they're paid to be ranked up a bit higher. Latest listings, all sorts of things. Bit about cooking, get weight loss, make money on Twitter, easy money. So some of them have got generic images, some of them don't have any images, some of them have a photo, like an ad. There's all sorts of things on here. So if some of these are making money, then you could easily do something similar, put a photo in there and be away. So they all seem very spammy to me. I was really surprised that so many people were clicking through and actually using these ads, because it seems like most of the traffic coming to the site are other people that are advertising on here. So it's obviously working. Drop a comment below if that surprised you as well, if you thought this is all a scam, but it actually does work. So I'm going to get into using some of these. I'll show you how to post an ad. They're obviously very basic, photo, headline, description, but you've got to get it done right. Like, you need something a bit more attention to it. You can hardly even read what's on there. Simply this brand new system, it doesn't really tell me anything. Guaranteed weight loss. Righto. That's really where the magic comes in, is being able to do good image, good title, and good copy there. But there's a few other things as well. So I've got an ebook you can get. I'll put the link in below. It won't be an email opt-in. I'll save you that one. As I was saying about landing pages, that's the number one thing on here. Promote a landing page with an opt-in form, which I probably should be for you to get this ebook, but you're watching the video, so I'll save you that one. So use a landing page. Does two things. Firstly, it helps switch the mindset of the person from going from whatever they were doing on that website to it being more of a focused buying mind frame, but also it allows you to capture an email address. So if they don't buy straight away, you can follow up, and majority of sales will actually come from the follow-up, so people get to know you and trust you a bit more. So there's a whole ton of information in here. Follow up, follow up, follow up. Just what I was saying. Get into that. So I won't go through all this. Just get the book and read through it. There's some great advice in here, and then get into jumping onto creating some ads. Get a good offer to promote, and away you go. Start making some money. It obviously works. Okay, and in the next video I'll show you how to make the ads, but otherwise get the book, and away you go. Thanks.